Okay, now let's look at a little harder question, and it's going to require some more elements of Java besides just arrays. It's going to require a loop, and it wants us to count the sum of all the elements. This is a very standard Java program, and you get used to it the more you do Java, but it's very standard. And here's what it looks like. Give an array of ints length 3, return the sum of all elements. Well, I'm going to make this question, for our sake, a little harder. I'm going to say give an array of ints. Who cares length 3? I'm going to show you how to do it no matter the length, and this is the best way to do it. If you wanted to just return num0 plus nums1 plus nums2, you would always get the right answer because it's always length 3. In this example, I'm going to show you to get the right answer no matter what the length. The first thing is we need to write a for loop. Get used to writing the for loop that I'm going to write because it's always going to scroll through the array. It's going to go through every element. I'm going to say for int I equals 0, I less than nums, that is the name of my array, dot length, I plus plus. This goes through the whole array. Starting at 0, going I less than nums dot length. Goes through the whole array. What we want to do, I will create an int up here. I will say int sum equals 0. And we're going to take the value of each element and add it to sum. So I'm going to do sum plus equals. That means sum plus the value of what it currently was in addition to what I'm going to add to it. Sum plus equals, and then nums I. And it might take you a little bit to get through this code, but this will add up every element of nums and store it in sum. And now the last thing we need to do is to return the sum. So return sum. Remember, this is not just for an array of length 3. This will return the sum of any element, any number of elements, 0 to infinity here. Let's see if I did it correctly. Dun, 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 dun. Yes, I have, all correct. So get used to this loop. You will write it 100,000 times in Java. In AP Java, you will write this loop 1,000,000 times, seriously. So get used to writing this, and you'll look back at this problem in probably 3 months and laugh at it because it's so easy. But I know it's a little tricky since you just started arrays.